Hello, everyone using Google Classroom. I've come to realize that some of your email inboxes may start getting very, very full over the next few months if you keep using Google Classroom and getting email notifications for everything. So I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick how to choose exactly what emails you want in your inbox. So if you go down here to the options menu and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see settings. Okay. Once you're in settings, you have all of the possible emails that you will receive and all of the classes that you teach. So you can choose to have emails from certain classes. You can choose to have emails for certain reasons. The only emails that I receive personally are comments on my posts, because usually that's students trying to contact me, and then I get an email on my phone and a notification. So that way I'm able to answer them as quickly as possible. The other things that I don't really need to have email notifications for, because I will check those when I log into Google Classroom. It just kind of frees up that space, especially if you have something due that day and everybody's turning it in. You're going to have a flooded inbox full of emails, and it'll be hard to decipher those between the ones that are important and the ones that are just informing you that someone turned in their work when they needed to. So hopefully this helps out for some of your inboxes who may be feeling overwhelmed using the software. If you